Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have your Word file, now act. Select the exact paragraph or phrase you want encoded, then copy it. Once done, make sure the text contains no extra line breaks or hidden formatting. Paste to a plain text editor if necessary. Next, open a QR code generator that accepts raw text input. Pick one that lets you set error correction and pixel size. This avoids broken scans later. You're starting the conversion immediately. Don't upload unrelated files. You've pasted your text, now configure. Select error correction, use M for normal use, Q or H if the code might be partially obscured. Next, set the pixel size or module count so the code prints or displays at the needed physical dimensions. Larger size improves reliability. Adjust quiet zone margin to at least 4 modules. Choose output format, PNG for raster, SVG, or PDF for crisp scaling. When settings are set, preview the code to confirm legibility before exporting. Export the QR file at full resolution now, save a backup copy. You must verify, scan with at least 2 devices and 2 scanning apps to ensure consistent results. If the scanner shows truncated or garbled text, increase error correction or physical size, then regenerate. When you print, measure the printed modules. Make sure they're not smaller than recommended for the scanner. One troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, remove extra formatting from the source text and re-encode. Hidden characters commonly break decoders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.